Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a business page on LinkedIn. So first, you need to click this icon here for business, which you can find on the top right, and then just scroll down and click create company page. Now, determine the type of page you want to create. So, for example, I want to create a small company, then just fill out the name like Horse X Go and fill in the website, industry, size, and all the necessary data. Then click I verify and simply press create page, and this will create your company business page. And that's all there is to it. Very simple. And if you want more help with creating page, you can reach me out. This is my ID. I work as an SEO specialist and content creator for various platforms. So I'm on LinkedIn. So let's connect.